Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Todoist for managing volunteer activities, the complete 2025 guide. First step, create a new project in Todoist and name it according to your volunteer event. This is your central hub where you'll keep track of all tasks related to your volunteer activities. The reason we do this is to keep all related tasks organized and in one place. Now that we've done that, let's add tasks. Enter each volunteer activity as a separate task and set due dates. You can also assign these tasks to specific volunteers if they have Todoist accounts. This helps us because it ensures every task has a dedicated person responsible for its completion and a set deadline. Next up, use labels to categorize tasks based on their nature. For instance, you can create labels like logistics, catering, or outreach. Applying labels makes it easier to filter tasks and focus on specific areas when needed. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is organizing your tasks in a way that you can quickly identify and tackle them based on their categories. The third step is to prioritize tasks using Todoist's priority flags. Assigning a priority level to each task helps you understand which tasks to tackle first. This ensures that nothing crucial falls through the cracks. Lastly, take advantage of Todoist's reminders and notifications. You can set up email or push notifications for upcoming tasks. This helps us because it serves as a failsafe, preventing important tasks from being forgotten. So, there you have it. You've just learned how to use Todoist for managing volunteer activities effectively. Remember, the real power of Todoist lies in its ability to keep everything organized, visible, and manageable. Start using it today to bring efficiency and effectiveness to your volunteer management. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.